Derek, you think you could babysit your cousin?
Of course I can.
Yeah, if he cries, what do you do?
If he cries?
Yeah.
I'm smacking the shit out of him. I'll be like, shut the fuck
No, he's
up.
probably hungry.
Oh, then I'll feed him.
Okay, but what if he doesn't want food?
Now I'm smacking him. I'll be like, bitch, eat these dino
No, he
nuggets.
could be tired.
Oh, then I'll lay him down for a nap.
Okay, but what if he keeps crying?
You already know I'm fucking him up.
No, you'll rock him.
That's what I mean. I'm rocking his jaw like a bitch.
No, I mean, rock him.
Oh, rock him.
Yes, and then he'll probably go to sleep.
Okay, and then if he don't, that's when I'll be like, I just keep rocking him.